DS Lock and Safe. Your fast, no-hassle locksmith across London and Kent. With over 25 years of experience. Our services include burglary repairs and key cutting. A super fast service, local 20-minute response time. Lock replacements, lock upgrades, lock repairs. DS Lock and Safe. Domestic, commercial and industrial. Safes supplied, safes fitted, opened and repaired. All locks are fitted to British Standard 3621. DS Lock and Safe. Call the locksmith you can trust today. 07958 342 360, and that's a 24-hour number. DS Lock and Safe.